Welcome to qnawire.
All right, so to find the coordinates of the midpoint, you add the x coordinates together and take half, and add the y coordinates together and take half. So that would be now located at -8 plus 2 is -6 over 2, and -3 plus -4 is -7 over 2, which is -3, -7 halves, or -3, -3.5. The missing side of a triangle, it's a right triangle, so we can use the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, where c is the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is away from the right angle, so that's x. And then a and b are the two sides of the two legs of the right triangle, so it'd be 3 and the square root of 11. Well, the 3 squared is 9, the square root of 11 squared is 11, so x squared is equal to 20. And so x would equal the square root of 20. 20 is 4 times 5, so in simplest radical form, the square root of 4 is 2 square root 5. We want to find y, so the distance between these two is 4 square root 10. Well, the distance formula is the square root of the difference of your x coordinates squared plus the difference of your y coordinates squared. So if the distance is 4 square root 10, that's equal to the square root of the difference of your x coordinates. I'll do it in the other order, 7 and 3. So 7 minus 3 squared plus y2 is y minus -6 is y plus 6 squared. Okay, so solve for y. You could square both sides of the equation. Which would be 4 square root 10 squared is 160. That's 4 squared times the square root of 10 squared, or 16 times 10. And on the right-hand side, it's just going to counteract and get rid of the square root. So it's going to be 7 minus 3, which is 4, squared, which is 16, plus y plus 6 squared. Let's isolate the power so that we can square root both sides. So 160 minus 16 is 144. Square root both sides. And since we're dealing with well, this is technically positive and negative 12. And so y would equal -6 plus and minus 12. I'm not sure that you need to worry about the negative version. You might just be able to say y is 6. But it could also be -18 as well.